Now, we are going to learn how to multiply polynomials. Sa pagmamultiply ng polynomials, ang bawat term na nasa unang parentheses ay imumultiply natin sa lahat ng term na nasa ikalawang parentheses. So, we will start with 2x cubed. Yung 2x cubed natin, imumultiply natin isa-isa dito sa kabilang parentheses. So, 2x cubed times 3x squared y is equal to 6x raised to 5y. Nag-x raised to 5 tayo dito dahil kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng variable na may exponent, i-add lang natin yung kanilang exponent. For example, yung x dito is cube yung exponent. I-multiply natin siya sa kabilang x na may squared na exponent. So, 3 na exponent plus 2 is equal to 5. Kaya kapag isusulat natin siya, ay magiging x raised to 5. At kapag magmumultiply naman tayo ng ibang variable, for example, x times y, yung product niya is xy. Idudugtong lang natin siya. Next, we have 2x cubed times negative 4xy squared is equal to negative 8x raised to 4y squared. 2x cubed times positive 5y cubed is equal to positive 10 x cubed y cubed. Next, dito naman tayo kay negative x squared y. Negative x squared y times positive 3x squared y is equals to negative 3x raised to 4y squared. Negative x squared y times negative 4xy squared is equals to positive 4x cubed y cubed. Sa pagmamultiply, we should always remember na kapag nagmultiply ka ng same signs, for example, negative times negative or positive times positive, the product is always positive. At kapag nagmumultiply ka naman ng different signs, for example, negative times positive or positive times negative, yung product niya is always negative. Next, we have negative x squared y times positive 5y cubed is equals to negative 5 x squared y raised to 4. Next, kay y cubed naman tayo. Y cubed times 3x squared y is equals to 3x squared y raised to 4. Y cubed times negative 4xy squared is equals to negative 4xy raised to 5. And last, y cubed times positive 5y cubed is equals to positive 5y raised to 6. Yung next step na gagawin natin is hahanapin natin yung mga terms na pwede nating combine. Ang pagbabasehan natin para hindi tayo magkamali or maiwasan nating magkamali, yung pinakamataas na exponent na x hanggang pababa, yan yung pagsulat natin. So, pinakamataas na exponent ni x ito is 5. Yung x raised to 5. So, wala siyang like terms. Ang gagawin natin dyan is kokopyahin lang natin siya. So, 6x raised to 5y. Next, yung x raised to 4 naman. We have negative 8x raised to 4y squared plus negative 3x raised to 4y squared is equal to negative 11x raised to 4y squared. Dahil same silang negative, so negative yung sign na gagamitin natin at i-add lang sila. Next, we have 10x cubed y cubed plus 4x cubed y cubed is equal to 14x cubed y cubed. Next, we have negative 5x squared y raised to 4 and positive 3x squared y raised to 4 is equal to negative 2x squared y raised to 4. Next is yung negative 4xy raised to 5. Dahil wala naman siyang like terms, kokopyahin lang natin siya. 4xy raised to 5. And last, yung 5y raised to 6. So, kung wala na tayong pwedeng makombine ng like terms, this will be our final answer. So, the product of 2x cubed minus x squared y plus y cubed and 3x squared y minus 4xy squared plus 5y cubed is 6x raised to 5y minus 11x raised to 4y squared plus 14x cubed y cubed minus 2x squared y raised to 4 minus 4xy raised to 5 plus 5y raised to 6. So we have another example here. 2x squared minus x cubed minus 4x plus 5 times 3x minus 2x squared plus 7. So first, yung uunahan natin yung 2x squared sa pagmumultiply. 2x squared times 3x is equals to 6x cubed. 2x squared times negative 2x squared is equals to negative 4x raised to 4. 2x squared times 7 is equals to positive 14x squared. Next is negative 3x cubed times 3x is equals to negative 3x raised to 4. Negative x cubed times negative 2x squared is equals to positive 2x raised to 5. Next, negative negative x cubed times 7 is equals to negative 7x cubed. Next, kay negative 4x naman tayo. Negative 4x times 3x is equals to negative 12x squared. Negative 4x times negative 2x squared is equals to positive 8x cubed. Negative 4x times positive 7 equals negative 28x. Next, 5. 5 times 3x equals to positive 15x. 5 times negative 2x squared is equals to negative 10x squared. 5 times 7 is equals to positive 35. Next step ay i-combine natin yung mga like terms. Let's combine the like terms. Ang pagbabasehan natin ay yung exponent ni x. Mula sa pinakamataas na exponent ni x hanggang sa pinakamababa na exponent ni x. So, we have 2x raised to 5. Kung wala siyang like terms, ang gagawin natin is kukopyahin lang natin si 2x raised to 5. Next, we have negative 4x raised to 4 plus negative 3x raised to 4 is equal to negative 7x raised to 4. Next, we have 6x cubed plus negative 7x cubed plus positive 8x cubed. So we have 6x cubed plus negative 7x cubed plus 8x cubed is equal to positive 7x cubed. So we have positive 7x cubed. Next, we have 14x squared plus negative 12x squared. 14x squared plus negative 12x squared plus negative 10x squared. So we have negative 8x squared. Next, we have 28x or negative 28x plus 15x is equal to negative 13x. And last, yung 35 natin, positive 35. At kung wala na tayong pwedeng makombine na like terms, ito na yung final answer natin. So the product of 2x squared minus x cubed minus 4x plus 5 and 3x minus 2x squared plus 7 is 2x raised to 5 minus 7x raised to 4 plus 7x cubed minus 8x squared minus 13x plus 35. So we have another example here, at ito yung tinatawag nating the square of binomial. So we have the square of 3x plus 2y times the square of 2x minus 3y. So first, yung gagawin natin is i-expand natin or i-square natin yung bawat binomial. So, yung gagamitin nating method ay yung shortcut method. First is, yung 3 natin or yung first term natin, ang 3 ay isi-square natin. So, 3 squared is equal to 9. Kokopyahin lang natin yung variable na x. Next, is yung x natin dito ay may y na exponent, di ba? So, yung y na exponent niya ay i-multiply natin by 2. So, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So, kinalalabasan niya ay 9x squared. Next, yung first term at second term natin ay i-multiply natin. So, 3x times 2y is equal to 6xy. Next is, yung 6xy natin, dahil square siya, i-multiply by 2. So, 6xy times 2 is equal to 12xy. So, plus 12xy. Next is yung last term natin or yung second term natin na 2y, yung 2 is square din natin. So, the square of 2 is 4. Next, kokopyahin yung variable. At yung y natin ay may exponent din na 1. So, yung 1 na exponent ay i-multiply din kay 2. So, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Yan. We have 9x squared plus 12xy plus 4y squared. Ito na yung square ni 3x plus 2y. Next, dito naman tayo kay 2x minus 3y. So, yung method na gagawin natin is the same lang sa ginawa natin noong una. Sa una. Yung first term, yung 2, is square natin. 2 squared is equals to 4. Copy the variable and i-multiply yung exponent. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Next, yung 2x minus 3y is i-multiply natin. So, we have 2x times negative 3y is equals to negative 6xy. And, i-multiply siya by 2. So, negative xy times 2 is equals to negative 12xy. Next is yung last term natin. Negative 3 squared is equals to positive 9. Copy the variable and multiply the exponent. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So, tapos na natin i-expand or i-square yung mga binomial natin. So, ito na yung bagong equation na i-multiply natin. So, gaya na ginawa natin nung una, ang bawat term na nasa unang parentheses ay i-multiply sa lahat ng term na nasa ikalawang parentheses. So, we have 9x squared plus 12xy plus 4y squared times 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared. So, 9x squared times 4x squared is equal to 36 x raised to 4. Teka, ulitin. 36 x raised to 4. Next, 9x squared times negative 12xy is equals to negative 108 x cubed y. Next is 9x squared times 9y squared is equals to 81. Positive 81 x squared y squared. Next, we have 12xy times 4x squared is equals to positive 48 x cubed y. Next, 12xy times negative 12xy is equals to negative 144 x squared y squared. Next is 12xy times 9y squared is equal to positive 108 x y cube. Next, kay 4y squared naman tayo. 4y squared times 4x squared is equals to 16 x squared y squared. Next, 4y squared times negative 12xy is equals to negative 48 x y cube. And last, 4y squared times 9y squared is equals to 36, positive 36 y raised to 4. Next step ay i-combine natin yung lahat ng like terms. So, we have 36 x raised to 4. Wala naman siyang like terms. So, ang gagawin natin is kukopyahin lang natin siya. So, we have 36 x raised to 4. Next, we have negative 108 x cubed y plus 48 x cubed y is equal to negative 60 x cubed y. Next, we have 81 x squared y squared, negative 144 x squared y squared, and positive 16 x squared y squared. So we have 81 x squared y squared plus negative 144 x squared y squared and 16 x squared y squared. So it equals to 47 x squared y squared. So plus positive 47 x squared y squared. Next, we have positive 108xy cube and negative 48xy cube is equal to positive 60xy cube. Last is yung positive 36y raised to 4. So, kung wala na tayong pwede ma-combine ng like terms, this will be our final answer. So, the product of the square of 3x plus 2y and the square of 2x minus 3y is 36x raised to 4 minus 60x cubed y plus 47x squared y squared plus 60xy cubed plus 36y raised to 4. So we have another example here, a trinomial in a square of binomial. We have a squared minus 2ab plus 3b squared times the square of 2a minus b. So the first step is hahanapin muna natin yung square ni 2a minus b. Kokopyahin lang natin yung trinomial a squared minus 2ab plus 3b squared. Then, yung gagamitin natin na method ulit is yung shortcut method. The square of 2 is 4. Copy the variable na a and multiply ang exponent ni a sa 2. So, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Next, i-multiply natin yung dalawang terms. We have 2a times negative b is equals to negative 2ab. Then, i-multiply siya by 2 dahil square of binomial siya. And, negative 2ab times 2 is equals to negative 4ab. So, we have negative 4ab. Next is yung last term natin ay isa-square natin. Negative b squared is equal to positive b squared. So, the square of 2a minus b is 4a squared minus 4ab plus b squared. Next is, i-multiply na natin yung bawat term na nasa unang parentheses sa lahat ng term na nasa ikalawang parentheses. So, we have a squared minus times 4a squared is equals to 4a raised to 4. Next, a squared times negative 4ab is equals to negative 4a cubed b. A squared times positive b squared is equals to positive a squared b squared. Next, negative 2ab times positive 4a squared is equals to negative 8a cubed b. Next, negative 2ab times negative 4ab is equals to positive 8a squared b squared. Next, negative 2ab times positive b squared is equals to negative 2ab cubed. Next, kay 3b squared naman tayo. 3b squared times 4a squared is equal to positive 12a squared b squared. Next, 3b squared times negative 4ab is equal to negative 12ab cubed. And 3b squared times b squared is equals to positive 3b raised to 4. So, yung next step na gagawin natin is i-combine natin yung mga like terms. So, we have 4a raised to 4. Kung wala tayong pwedeng makombine na like terms dito, ang gagawin is kokopyahin. 4a raised to 4. Next, we have negative 4a cubed b plus negative 8a cubed b. Negative 4a cubed b plus negative 8a cubed b is equal to negative 12a cubed b. Next, we have a squared b squared negative 8a squared b squared and 12a squared b squared. So, a squared b squared plus 8a squared b squared and 12a squared b squared is equal to 21a squared b squared. Bakit nag-21? 12 plus 8 plus 1 dito. Automatic na may 1 na yung a squared b squared. So, 12 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 21. So, we have 21 a squared b squared. Next, we have negative ab cubed plus negative 12ab cubed is equal to negative 14ab cubed. At yung 3b raised to 4 natin. So, kung wala na tayong pwedeng makombine na like terms, ito na yung answer natin. So, the product of a squared minus 2ab plus 3b squared and the square of 2a minus b is 4a raised to 4 minus 12a cubed b plus 21a squared b squared minus 14ab cubed plus 3b raised to 4. So we have our final example here. The cube of x minus y times x plus y. So meron tayong cube of binomial at isang binomial. First, ang gagawin natin is i-cube muna natin si x minus y. So meron din tayong shortcut method sa pag-cube ng binomial. So first, yung x natin is i-multiply natin siya sa yung exponent na x ay i-multiply natin siya sa 3 dahil cube of binomial siya. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So first, copy the variable and yung 3 na product natin. Next, na gagawin natin is yung x natin ay i-square. isi-square natin si x squared. X square. Then, imo-multiply natin siya kay negative y. At imo-multiply natin siya kay 3. So, x square times minus y times 3 is equal to 3x squared negative 3x squared y. Next is yung second term naman yung isa-square natin. So, x times negative y squared times 3. So, we have positive 3xy squared. Last step is yung negative y natin. Kokopyahin yung negative y and multiply yung y natin or yung exponent ni y sa 3. So, 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So, the cube of x minus y is x cubed minus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared squared to minus y cube. Then, i-multiply siya sa x plus y. So, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina or sa mga naunang examples, i-multiply natin yung bawat term na nasa loob ng parentheses sa lahat ng term na nasa ikalawang parentheses. So, let's start with x cubed. So, x cubed times x is equals to x raised to 4. X cubed times y is equal to x cubed y. Next, 3x squared y times x is equals to negative 3x cubed y. Negative 3x squared y times y is equals to negative 3x squared y squared. Next, we have 3xy squared times x is equals to positive 3x squared y squared. Next, 3xy squared times y is equal to tapos na pala tayo dyan. Hindi pa. 3xy squared times y is equal to positive 3xy cubed. Next, we have negative y cubed times x is equals to negative xy cubed. Negative y cubed times y is equals to negative y 4. Yung next step natin is i-combine yung mga like terms. So, we have x raised to 4. X raised to 4. Next is x cubed y times plus negative 3x cubed y is equal to negative 2x cubed y. Next, we have negative 3x squared y squared plus positive 3x squared y squared is equal to 0, kaya ika-cancel out na lang natin siya. Next, we have 3xy cubed plus negative xy is equal to positive 2xy cubed. And lastly, yung negative y raised to 4 natin. So, kung wala na tayong pwedeng makombine, this will be our final answer. So, the product of the cube of x minus y And x plus y is x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed y plus 2xy cubed minus y raised to 4.